Hi all, today I will show you how we can create multiple disk partitions or disk volume in Windows 10. So after completion of this video you will be able to see local disk D and E available here. So let's get started. Let's go to control panel, go to system and security. Under administrative tools click on create and format disk partitions. Here you can see we have local disk C. Just right click, shrink volume around 100 GB. Now wait for a few seconds. You can see we have total 97 GB of unallocated space. Now just right click and new simple volume. Next, just next. From here we can assign any of the letter given below. Now click on next. You can select any of the label. Suppose I'm just have as it is new volume. Next, finish. You can see. Okay, you can see new volume T. And let's shrink more so that we can create one more disk. So let's have 100 GB. You can see now we have 97 GB of unallocated space. So let's have this for local disk E, and now let's remove label, volume label. Now we will be having like C drive. Okay, so that's the difference between adding label and not having the label. Okay, so now you can see here local disk D, E available here with a new volume. So let's, okay, if you want to delete volume, just delete. Now we will be having unallocated space 97 GB. Let's delete this one as well. Here you can see now we have 195. Now to cover up this space we have to extend volume, then next, then next, then finish. Now okay, so you can see here we have total space available and the single disk is available here. Thank you.